Alright, y'all, so we starting off the vlog right where we left off. Last vlog. Spending more money, man.
Hoodie gang, come out and play. Keep your hoodies on, man.
Alright, got that crack.
Straight up, I'm smashing it, right? Give it Put that, run that thing, tote that thing, bro. Tote that thing, bro. Let's go. So, anything you gotta say before we start?
My charger broke, right? For no reason. No reason, just sitting here. Why this motherfucker cost me $10, dog? Come on, bro. Excuse me. You know what I'm saying, me cussing a while ago, dog. I was just hungry. But yeah, that little charger cost me $10, man. Alright, so we got these. But they're gonna have to pop them bad boys out. You see how much that thing costs right there? Taxing. So I basically just pried them out with this. Push the remaining ends down. See them? Looking kind of ugly though. Be careful not to scratch the paint, my guy. Don't want to scratch the paint. Fuck it, I just dropped it. So now I gotta take the little broken ends out of the hose. I just gotta take these out, so I'm probably just gonna take them out with some pliers, some tweezers or something. And then pop these bad boys back through. I don't know if you see them or not. Pop these bad boys back through. All this windshield wiper fluid. I gotta clean my damn engine bay now. Hopefully it didn't get on anything electrical. So all that was pushing those into the bottom of the thing and popping the ones in on top. And as you see, working good as new. I've decided I was gonna put the pipes on myself, but no, I'm not gonna do that. And here's why. Because I don't want the same thing that happened to that screw on the brake pad to happen to any of the screws on the bottom, because that would be terrible. Secondly, yeah, man, I don't feel like wasting no money right now.
Save your money.
I don't feel like wasting $600.
Savings. Save your money. Save it. Savings on deck. Why? Save it. Save it.
And I'm heavy-handed and I break stuff all the time. So yeah, I'm gonna let somebody that's professional with it do these type of things until I start making money off this YouTube stuff. Then I can break shit, you know what I'm saying? Then I can, you know what I'm saying, go at it, break stuff, buy new parts. But right now, no sir, we not taking no risks. I'm very capable of doing it, but I'm not taking no risks.
Save your money.
No sir, no sir. There's my exhaust system. See how freaking huge that thing is. I'm have to carrying that 3 flights. But about to head out. See if I can find someone that'll actually put that on for me. That's why I have not opened it. I'll see y'all then. Come on, bro. So here are the pipes. Basically Barbados. Hopefully. Not special. Dog, I've never seen anyone weld ever in my life. This was the first time I've ever seen someone weld. It's kind of lit. I'm not even gonna lie. Buddy doing his thing with that welding stuff. I ain't gonna cap with you. Buddy doing his thing.
I pulled out my phone too late, but bro, like he pulled out the welder, like he put like the blowtorch on the pipe and bent that mug like the right way, like to where it would come out correctly. Like bro was cold with that, like with the welding and everything. Bro didn't even have no gloves on. Like I ain't gonna lie, I was shook. Like bro did his thing for real, like fast.
Alright, so we got the pipes done. Sounds great, listen.
Now it's time for a little before and after with the War Machine. Yes, sir.
Different kind of beast now. Look at that. Y'all hear that? Yo. Ooh, shit. Hey, man. Ooh, hey, we finally sound like a V8. Yeah, we finally sound like a V8 in here, man. Hey, bro. Come on, man. Yeah, man. Hey. Hey. Well, hey, it's gonna be a different car, man. If it feels like this, to have some pipes, then I can only imagine what it feels like to get a new car. Or what it feels like to get your dream car, dog. Cause this is a different type of feeling, bro. Like, I'm lit right now. Man, so I can only imagine what it feels like to get like a brand new Hellcat or a brand new Lamborghini or something, like, bruh. Cause this feeling right here, bro, this is a monumental feeling right here. Like it feel like I done actually accomplished some shit. You know what I'm saying? And I'm barely scratching the surface. Man, this shit got me lit. I ain't even gonna lie to you. I'm not even gonna lie to you. So you know what I gotta do next. Interior. Seat color about to change. Dash might change. Shit, I don't know what else though. I ain't gonna lie to you. I don't know how, you know what I'm saying, long this vlog is, but I done got a small goal, man. We got it, you know what I'm saying? We small goals to the big ones, like I said last vlog, man. I'm lit. I'm not gonna lie to you. I am lit. Bro, my gas mileage enough and everything, bro. But take it from me, man. Manifest something positive. Straighten this bad boy up. Manifest something positive and go and get that goal that you want. Go and get what you manifested, bro. You got it. You can do it. There's no goal too small or too big, man. Every goal is different for somebody. Don't let nobody tell you nothing different. Go and get it, man. My next goal is to redo that interior. Cause the boy seats needs to be changed. So, red leather it is. I'm gonna give myself 3 months for that one. 3 months. But yeah, man. What can I say? You can do what you set your mind to. I said every vlog, bro. Hey, go and get your goal. Hoodie out.
Got him! Got him!
Oh shit.
Vision. Why you acting different? I'm chasing this bag. You mad to see me with it, had to go and get it, all about my business. I can see it clearly. Fake shit can't have it near me. Do you see my vision? Can you see me winning? 2020 vision.